What's going on, everyone? HueFin News coming at you with another daily cryptocurrency market analysis. Today is September the 29th, 2017, and we have another trial run today in the cryptocurrency market. But the market still closed lower for the majority of the cryptocurrencies today. So the market is definitely trending weaker than it is stronger. And you guys need to pay attention to your strategies that you have out in the cryptocurrency market. Especially tomorrow, I'm not foreseeing a huge major down move on tomorrow, but you know, anything could change. Also, a lot of these cryptocurrencies gave us a trial run on yesterday, and we kind of got the same bar today. Another trial run bar was just an indication of the overall market weakness within the cryptocurrencies. And you guys can see even on the market cap on his website that about $1 billion left the market in one day, and that could be due to the weakness that is in the market. But you guys can still tell that the buyers, the market participants, were in there buying up these cryptos that were being sold today. So that is also kind of towing the line between which one is actually stronger. Is it the buyers or the sellers? So we'll have to look at each individual cryptocurrency today to see which is which. But you guys can see that the market cap stands at $142 billion, and that is about $1 billion being deducted from what the total was on yesterday. So all these cryptos, you guys can see, trended lower today. They trended in the negative. Bitcoin is down 0.33. Ethereum is down almost 3%. Ripple 1.5%. Bitcoin Cash almost 2.5%. Litecoin 2.66. Dash 3.27. IOTA 2.17. Monero almost 3%. Neo almost 5%. And Ethereum Classic almost 2.53. If you guys will listen to my words that I was saying on a video yesterday, I also wanted to, I kind of gave you guys a clue that the market was giving us more precursors of weakness, and that the market should be trending lower on today. And that is exactly what occurred today in the cryptocurrency market. So even though I didn't give you guys a price prediction on where the market should move for these cryptos, I told you that the market was giving us more precursors of weakness. And that should give you guys a clue as to where the market should be moving. So to all the new subscribers, appreciate you guys joining the channel. Guys, go ahead and continue to watch this channel so you guys can increase your confidence in the market, because we make it simple to understand. We make it simple to see, because we don't try to place all those different types of indicators that are out there in the market to confuse you. Is our purpose to unconfuse you, to make making money in the cryptocurrency market, any other market, simple and easy. And we want to show you guys that it's very possible that you can be profitable, that you can understand the market without using those indicators. So please make sure you guys go check out our video. It's for the new subscribers, called Just Some of the Basics, because we give you some terminology that we use consistently on this channel, and we would like for you guys to understand precisely what we are saying while we go through our analysis. So we don't want to kind of put you guys in the dark, and watching that video will kind of place you on track and catch you up to what we're saying while we do these daily cryptocurrency market analysis. Okay. And also, we place timestamps in the description. So guys, go ahead and use that for your benefit to save time. You guys in a hurry and you don't want to know, you just want to focus on one cryptocurrency, then go ahead and check that. Click that timestamp for that particular cryptocurrency, and it'll take you straight there, just to save you guys some time. So what we do here on this channel is we give you guys news according to the charts, right? We give you guys this language that the market speaks in, and it speaks to us all through the price bars and the volume. And once you can interpret the price bars and the volume and what they mean combined, then you guys will become more confident and become more profitable in your trades, because you also will become aware of when is a good time to get in the market and when is a bad time not to get in the market, or when you need to exit your trade. So we don't give you guys technical analysis. We don't give you guys that fundamental analysis. It's the language, and we're interpreting this language for you so you guys can see and predict where the market is going to go. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the Bitfinex website and start off with Bitcoin. So you guys can see that Bitcoin is down 0.5% right now, and the last trade was at $4,169.60. So let's see. You guys can see that the market shot down and it came towards 4,000, but the buyers came in the market, was able to push the market back up to the open of today's bar. So that is obviously buyers coming in the market and buying up all the cryptocurrency. So at least the market for Bitcoin should trade sideways, okay, because it's back up here towards that key area of $4,200, and we're expecting at least Bitcoin to trade sideways on tomorrow, because the volume is a lot heavier than what it was on yesterday, and the spread is a lot wider. So that's an indication that the sellers try to come out and push the price lower, but the buyers came in and consumed all of the selling. So the market for Bitcoin should at least trade sideways on tomorrow, and depending on the bar tomorrow, we'll be able to see if it's going to go higher or lower. But it still looks probable that Bitcoin is still going to try to touch, I didn't say close, I said touch at $4,400. Okay, so just keep that on your radar, especially if the market moves sideways to a little higher on tomorrow. So next, we're going to go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ethereum is down 3.48%. Last trade was at $292.99. So just like with Bitcoin, Ethereum came and touched this area of support of 280, which is a very good signal for the strength of the market, for it to come down and touch it, and the market was able to close in the middle of the bar. The volume is high, so that kind of tells you that the buyers had to consume a lot of the selling. Now the market may trend a little lower on tomorrow, but we're still forecasting Ethereum to trade sideways on tomorrow to a little higher. Okay, so we're at least expecting Ethereum to trade sideways, but due to this amount of volume that we see on this particular chart, and that the market was able to close in the middle of this bar, Ethereum look like it's going to be trading a little higher as well. So next, we're going to go ahead and check out Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is down 3.82%. Last trade was at $439.31. So as we zoom in on this daily price chart, you can see that Bitcoin Cash is still observing this area of support / resistance that we've drawn over the last couple of days. We're still looking for Bitcoin Cash to make a breakout move, but obviously it is still trading within a range, and that just simply means that the market participants are here buying up the cheap price of Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so the market may actually trend a little lower on tomorrow, but we're at least expecting in the short term tomorrow that Bitcoin Cash may trade sideways to possibly a little higher as well. But if the market is still coming in with more selling, then it is possible for Bitcoin Cash to come and hit $400. So just be observant of that fact. But the volume is a lot lighter today than what it was yesterday, meaning that A lot of the sellers in the market are now gone, and the market participants have consumed all of the selling, so the market should at least trade sideways and then maybe possibly a little higher. And if we're looking for higher, then we're still trying to tag that $480 area that Bitcoin Cash did on the 28th of September. And if it goes lower, then definitely 400 is in the deck for Bitcoin Cash. So next, we're going to go ahead and check out Ripple. Ripple is down 2.43%. Last trade was at 19,709 cents. So now Ripple is now trading below that area of support / resistance now that we've drawn, and the market was extremely, see the price bar is extremely wide, but look at that volume. As the market was coming down, the volume has been decreasing. So that is a precursor to strength. So it's likely that Ripple would be trading sideways to higher as well. So now we're going to go ahead and check out Litecoin. Litecoin down 3.30%. Last trade was at $53. So Litecoin is still trading around this area of resistance, which is around $56. The market was able to break through on the 27th of September, but then it crashed and closed lower on yesterday and again on today. But this is another trial run. This is just like the bar from yesterday and the bars from all the other cryptocurrencies that we just seen today. A trial run. But one of the positive things about today's bar is that the volume is decreasing as the market is moving lower. So that's why it gives us indication that the market will be trading sideways to maybe a little higher for Litecoin as well. So next, we're going to go ahead and check out Dash. So Dash is down 4.06%. Last trade was at $328.83. Looking at the daily price chart. So Dash finally has given us a down day, and it came and touched that $320 area just like it did back on August 20th and the 19th of August. You guys can see that $320 is a key support / resistance area for Dash, and to have the market come and close towards the middle on high volume gives us suspicion that Dash may not be done with lower prices, but we're still looking for them to trade sideways, possibly on tomorrow to a little higher, because the spread of this bar is definitely a lot wider than the other cryptocurrencies trial run bars. That's why and the volume is extremely heavy for today, and there might be more sellers in the market on tomorrow for Dash. So the market may move lower tomorrow, but if buyers come in again today, then the market will close higher. So just be cognizant of that fact, and we're expecting at least Dash to move sideways to lower. So next, we're going to go and check out Neo. So Neo is down 5.75%. Last trade was at $28.55. So you guys can see the definite widespread for Neo. Buyers came in, bought up all the selling that came from the sellers. Market came and touched $26, so that might be the new area of support, because you can see from the close and the open from September 8th and the 9th, and then the close and the open from the 25th and 26th of September, and how the market came down today and touched that $26 look like it's going to be the support area for Neo. I'm gonna go ahead and draw out the support line that we drawn, and we want to make sure to see if Neo's going to obey this line. So currently we're looking for, and the volume has been drying up over the last 3 trading days. So it tells us that the sellers are not as prevalent in the market than the buyers are. So at least NEO should be trading sideways. And if it goes lower, then it probably will come back down and touch that $26 area. And we're expecting it to at least trade sideways just to make sure that all the sellers are out of the market. If they are, then the market will move higher. So now we're going to go ahead and check out Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is down 4.74%. Last trade was at $12.71. And the market for Ethereum Classic has given us a huge spread today for the market to open, to shoot higher, and then to close lower than the low. And the close of yesterday's bar is a definite precursor of weakness. So we're looking for Ethereum Classic to at least trade sideways to lower. And if it does move lower than $12, it might be the area to where it touches, but it should definitely move between $13 and $12 for Ethereum Classic. And then the last one for today is Monero. So Monero is also down 4.22%. Last trade was at $94.30. So you guys can see this is the second day that Monero closed lower than the previous bar, precursors of weakness. And we still feel as if Monero still has a couple more down days in it. And it looked like it's going to come and hit that $85 area. The volume is a lot heavier. The spread is a lot wider than what it was yesterday on almost the same amount of volume. So Monero should at least trade possibly sideways on tomorrow. Maybe even come and touch $90 again. But we're looking forward to trade sideways. And if tomorrow is another precursors of weakness, then definitely $85 is back in the cards for Monero. So that's all we got for today. Appreciate all the new subscribers, everyone watching these videos. Hoping it's been a great benefit for you guys, because it's our purpose to show you that it's very easy to interpret and understand where these cryptocurrencies are going to be trading in the near future. Because a lot of the indicators that are out there today gives you past information, and you cannot trade on past information. You have to look at the present to try to predict the future. And today, the only way that you can possibly do that is through price bars and the volume, because once you actually place actual money in the market, then it makes it very serious and no one is in the market playing games. So that's why you can take just the price bars and the volume as it is, because it tells you the mindset of the individuals who have the money. So once you learn it, you too will become and trade in unison with the individuals with the money, and then you'll make the money when they make the money. So that's what the purpose is of understanding the language. So you guys continue to subscribe and watch these videos, and your confidence will also come in tune, and you also will be able to trade alongside with all the market participants in the market, because you are in tune with their footsteps, and that's the key part of the markets. So that's all I got for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like, got a comment, leave them in the comment section, and we'll respond to it as soon as possible. You guys stay profitable, and I'll talk to you guys later.